Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the servicing of the air conditioners that is done by UrbanClap. As we all know that UrbanClap is a very well known brand, and whenever it comes to the AC servicing and all those stuffs, we trust UrbanClap as our first priority because of the trustworthy service and the quality that they offers us. And also in this video I will be showing you how these steps are taken, that how it is done, and how actually whenever you will be booking a service with UrbanClap, that is the AC servicing or any kind of ACs that you have, that is the window AC or split AC or whichever AC you have, you book a service, and after that how the process is overall done, how the servicing is done, that overall process I will be explaining in this particular video. And I would also like to thank those two bhaiyas who came that day to do the servicing, and they did a very good job, and I must really appreciate UrbanClap for that. And because nowadays the summer season has just arrived and we are thinking of turning on our ACs right now because it is so much getting warm and hotter outside, and so whenever it comes to getting a better cooling quality, then whenever it comes to that kind of purpose, we need to do the servicing first before we turn on the AC, because whenever we will be turning on the AC for this month, then we would be continuously using it for the next 2 to 3 months as well for the continuous basis. And for that reason we need to service our AC first, and then after that we need to do it on a regular basis, that is after 6 months or after 8 months, whatever you find favorable you can do that. एंड बेसिकली ये जो सर्विसिंग है ये बहुत ही अच्छा सा और बहुत ही इनोवेटिव वे से ये इन लोग जो है ये करते हैं। और आपका अगर फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए अगर आप एसी सर्विसिंग बुक कराने वाले हैं UrbanClap से, तो मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ कि आप निश्चिंत होके जो सर्विसिंग है वो बुक कराइए, वो बहुत ही अच्छा सा प्रोफेशनल सर्विस आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। और आई विल डेफिनेटली एश्योर यू दैट यू विल फॉल इन लव विद द सर्विस एंड यू विल कंटिन्यू टू बुक दिस अपकमिंग सर्विसेज फॉर योर एसी, वेदर इट्स अ इन्वर्टर एसी और इट्स अ नॉर्मल एसी। मेरे केस के लिए मैंने दोनों एसी में ही ये जो सर्विसिंग है ये बुक कराया था एज अ pack, that is pack of 2. I booked the service for the non-inverter as well as for an inverter AC, and in both the cases the results were just excellent. And so in this video I will be talking about all those things, and so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So before they arrive at your place, make some arrangements for them, such as please arrange for any kind of ladder or something like that, and also 2 buckets so that they can use it while they do the servicing. So as you can see that first of all the outer shell of the air conditioner is removed. This process is done first. So as you can see that here he is removing the outer shell of the air conditioner, and now he is removing the upper net mesh, that is the mesh that is there at the upside of this particular air conditioner, and also the other screws he is also opening them up all, and he will be now removing that upper shell. So as you can see that the first of all it's removed. Here as you can see that it's removed, and now the overall the upper side of the lid is now removed, and after that the rest of the portion is also opened, as you can see here. So here as you can see that it is the outer side, that is the outer shell of the air conditioner. After that in the side where all the wirings are done, they cover it with a bag or some kind of pouch which is actually waterproof and water resistant, so that whenever they do the cleaning purpose, the wiring or something like that doesn't get damaged. And after that they used to put this kind of a bag like thing, actually it's a cover, so that whenever they do the cleaning job, then the outside or anywhere that is outside the AC or something like that, it doesn't get messed up, or the water doesn't get spilled out anywhere else. And here as you can see that it's completely covering the AC up. And now with the help of this kind of spray jet, they basically use this kind of spray jet technology, as you can see here, to thoroughly clean out your dust and all those things from the AC. And then after that he is applying this kind of foam, So I have booked the servicing with the foam including inside my servicing, and here as you can see that he is now removing the other dust particles using that jet. You can see that after that on the other side here also you will be seeing that the other rest portions of the AC, that is the cover and all those stuffs, are also cleaned with this kind of spray jet technology, as you can see here. And here as you can see that all the other necessary items that are there inside the AC, those are also thoroughly cleaned up. And here as you can see that this is the air filter that as you can see that it is getting completely cleaned up using this kind of jet technology. Here they use only tap water and no other chemicals or something like that, so there will be no issues with your air conditioner and something like that. Here as you can see that after that it is thoroughly wiped out with a good cloth. And here as you can see that after that, after leaving it for some time, here as you can see that the other portions of the bag are removed, and here as you can see that the some other kind of cleaning is also done here. Here as you can see that it is the outside portion of the AC, that is you can see here that is the outside part is now cleaned at last. As you can see that this is the outside part, and here also they are using this kind of spray jet technology, which is a very good thing. And at last the thing they do is that they actually check the gas that is there inside the AC, that is you can see here they actually check the levels of the gas that is there inside, and if it is normal then they tell you that it's normal, and if it is not normal then you need to change that gas once again. And here as you can see that after checking it they just close it and just put on the lid back once again. And here as you can see that at last when the inside of the air conditioner has dried up properly, then the outer shell, that is the outer cover, is finally again attached with the main device. As you can see here he is again installing that whole thing back again as it was originally there. So here as you can see that after cleaning it he is just installing all those stuffs. And here as you can see that now the air filters are being put inside, as you can see here after cleaning it. So it looks like it's properly cleaned, as you can see here. And after that the bucket, that is because my AC is a auto clean device, so the bucket is also cleared thoroughly and then it is placed inside it. And after that all the other accessories that were left out, they cleaned it properly and just properly installed it. As you can see that after that the main lid is installed, and at last the airflow tray that is there at the bottom of the AC is also clean. And after that they use this kind of polish to shine up the outer surface of the whole AC, as you can see here. And after that they gave a gentle wash and a wipe to it, and at last your AC is finally ready. Yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video, and please make sure you share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of booking this kind of AC servicing for their ACs, whether it's a non inverter AC or any kind of window AC or any such kind of ACs. They can surely book this kind of AC servicing for themselves. And please share this video so that they can get a clear idea about what actually is done, how the processes are followed in case of this kind of servicing processes, and will not face any kind of complaints and something like that. And it is better to book the service from their professionals because they are much more trained than any other normal people. And so I hope that you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And one thing I would like to request you, that if you like this video, please do a favor by subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I catch you guys in the next one.